right, we are at room 207 at Zoetry in Montego Bay. So this is our room. It's amazing. The service has been very good because we got here and our room wasn't ready. This is the room layout. We're in this one right here, so it's a little bit different than some of the other ones shape-wise. These ones have ocean views though. We almost have an ocean view from ours, and I'll show you that in a minute. But so when you come in the room, you can go over here. The closet is to the left. They have a steamer, and versus irons, they have steamers, which I will use that on some of my wrinkly clothes. And a safe, standard, like laptop size. Push the numbers and lock, and then closet and bathrobes and slippers on the other side there. So when you come into the room, this is the room. It's gigantic. King size bed, canopy. Now the Zoetry in Montego Bay is a super boutique property. So 49 rooms. Let's go down to the mini bar. We bring our own ting. We love ting. It's a grapefruit drink, and they don't have ting on property, but they do have Coke products. Water and beer and Sprite are the standards. Ceiling fan. A real size, king size bed. And I say real because we were just at the Rio Tropical Bay, which did not have that. Ours has got this little alcove. Dale's already got the air conditioner set at 16 degrees. We have this little alcove with these little day beds. These are leather. There's a little bit of an ocean view through the property next door, which I'm not really sure what that is. But there's these 3 windows on this side. This is our patio, which is plenty big enough for 2 really nice chairs, comfortable chairs for Dale's morning coffee. We have a garden view, so from the balcony it's a garden view, but we're really only steps away from the ocean. We open this door. Oh, and there's a ceiling fan out there, so you know how sometimes it gets really hot on balconies? But here's your bathroom. Now the bathroom's kind of like open, so you see the room over here, and then the bathroom is over here. But look at this shower. It's beautiful tile, beautiful stonework. It's a pretty quiet property. This is where I'm in heaven right here. Not only because there's big mirrors, but look at all that counter space. I'm a bathroom snob, as you may not know, but I like counter space. I have to have my things. I already plugged in the light up mirror, so there's all this counter space and 2 sinks. Of course a scale, because when you're at an all-inclusive you might eat a lot. A hairdryer that's not attached to a wall. Little shelves. This is our trash can for towels. I think towels, I'm not even sure. And then the bathroom area is got this frosty glass door. We have 2 natural light windows. These look down to the lobby area. Again, it's only 49 rooms, so there's this light in mirror. I think we had like 17 light switches or something like that. So pretty, and air conditioned, and Dale would be super happy because there's electrical outlets for him to have his machine next to the bed. So again, this is Trish at Just For You Travel, and this is Zoetry Montego Bay.